Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to import or export the contact forms using WPForms. To do so, hover on to WPForms and click on all forms. You can see the existing forms here. I want to import a user registration form also. To do that, click on Tools under WPForms in the sidebar. Under the Import tab, you can see an option here for WPForms import. Simply click on Choose File option. Now select the form that you want to import. Once done, click on Import. You can see the success message here. Click on Check your forms to view the form has been added or not. You can see the form has been imported here. Now coming to the second part of this video, how to export WPForms. To export the form, click on Choose under WPForms. Now click on the Export tab here. You can see an option to export forms. Click on it and select the form that you want to export. You can select multiple forms at once. Once done, click on Export. You can see the form has been exported and saved to my device. So this is how you can import or export WPForms. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.